will learn to apply the formatting to this table, and thereafter we'll see how we can get the percentage value for this share percentage out of these products. And also we are going to link this Excel sheet with the Word file, and let's see how we can transform the data. When you try to update the Excel file, then it will automatically update the values in the worksheet. For that, you need to pass the link between these two applications. And second, I'll show you how you can enter the data in the Excel sheet through the form. So it's easy to update and see the past previous records and to delete the records through the form. And we'll see how we can apply those steps. Right, first of all, I'm going to give the formula now. You know, in my previous lessons, I have already given the instruction to get the sum of this total. So using this sigma sign, you can easily get the total from tools to plant from D to G columns, right? Track, and you can see the marquee line here. This is the grand total of these products, and you can easily copy the formula down. So like the same way, I'm going to get the total of these rows using this sigma, right? Okay, then I'll copy the formula from here. Right, now this is your grand total. So to try to get this share percentage, I'm going to apply the format into this table. So for that, you need to highlight this entire sheet. So from this number format, if you need to apply dollar, you can apply dollar sign, or else you can give only the comma to this values, or else you can reduce the decimal value from here, right? But let's say if you need to remove the comma also, from here launch button, you can go inside to this table, and there you can see the category box, select general. In the sample format, you can see the value here without comma, then select OK. This is how you can get rid of from this comma, or else using this 2 decimal, you can apply the decimal point directly, or else you can apply comma. Let's say if you need to give without putting the dollar sign, if you need to give the rupees, right? So you don't some can apply dollar rupee value here RS like this, but you know you can't give the calculation in one cell. If you type character values and the numeric values together, alphanumeric, you can't do like this. So what you can do is, within the custom, you can give this whatever the characters. See how we can apply this. Highlight the entire value using the right mouse click format cells, or else using this launch button. You can go to the number palette and open this launch icon. Right, in the custom table category box, select custom. Right, here you can select the type of this percentage with the comma and 2 decimal, right. If you need to apply only the comma, you can select this. If you need to give only the decimal point, you can select this, right, as you wish. So I'm going to select with comma and decimal point together. Then rupees I need to give in back next to the value, give a space. So within inverted, you can type RS like this, and if you select OK, it will apply the rupee value here. If you update the value here, rupee value, you can see like this, right? This is how you can give the rupee value here, RS, right? Then share percentage. So to show this tool's subtotal as a percentage out of this grand total, step is, this is the step, equal this total, move to the subtotal, give the slash to divide this cell by the grand total. So you need to get the percentage value. So for that, I am going to apply again the multiplication sign and give 100 and percentage, because I need to get the percentage value for this portion. Enter. Right. If you need to show the percentage, symbol, you can easily select this percentage like this. If you need to give the decimal point like this, you can give the decimal. So now in my previous lessons, I already given you the instruction to put the fix of this total, because you are going to divide this grand total by these products. So this is constant value. So to fix this H14 cell, because this is the cell you need to divide from this subtotal. So what you are going to do is you need to select this H14 and press F4 function key, because this is absolute cell reference. Using this F4 function key, you can lock the cell in between, or else you can type $sign between this H, press enter, then you can copy the cells here. So the last column, it will show you as 100%, because this is the grand total. From 100%, 29% of this plant, 29% out of this subtotal, 16.9 is the percentage out of this furniture. So likewise, you can get how much of percentage of these products during the end of the year, right? So I'm going to show you how you can update these two applications together. So to open these two windows together, press window key with the right arrow key, right? Then I'm going to open the Word document. Right now, this is my Excel document. This is my Word document. Right now, let's see if I update these tools. I'm going to delete this value. It's automatically updating the Word document. Right, 30,000. See, right? Or else, I'm going to close this application. Right, I'm going to save this application to the desktop. Let's say if you didn't open this Word file, but keep on updating the Excel file, let's see how it will have update in the Word document. Doc1 is the file name, save. It's in desktop, right? I'm going to close the Word document. Now, without opening the Word document, I'm going to update this Excel sheet. Right, 20,000, 33,000. So this is 0, right? This is also 0, right? Now, if I open my Word document, let's see how it can update. Doc1 is the file name, this one, right? If I open this, it will give the message saying this document contains link that may refer to the other files. Do you want to update? So select yes. See, it will automatically update the cells. So this is how you can update the values, pass in the links between two applications, Excel to Word, right? This is one method. Another method is, I'm not going to say, or else you can save, right? Another method is, from this Excel, you can directly open the Word file. This is the second step, how you can pass the link, blank document. In the insert menu, select this icon, right? Object, drop down and select again object. Now here select create from file, browse and select your Excel file. So see under desktop, create chart. This is the file. Insert, right? So from here you can select link to the file. Okay. This is another method, right? So same way you can update the Excel file, then it will automatically update this Word, right? Okay, these are the two methods that you can pass the link between the applications, right? To open the form, what you can do is, now under my quick access toolbar, that icon is not there in the list. So select drop down list from the Customize Quick Access toolbar, select More Commands. Then so I'm going to apply this icon under Quick Access toolbar. So select that Quick Access toolbar. Now from here, select all commands and find the form icon from this list. Right, still it's opening, right? It's under F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Select form. Right, this is the icon for that. Select and add. Because I have already added that form icon here, right? Let's say if you need to remove and add once again. So select that. I'm going to remove this, right? Then if you need to add this form icon, select that form icon, then add. It will add it to the Quick Access toolbar, right? Then select OK. You can see the form icon here, right? Or else you can add, if you need to add one of this under this tab, or else you can create the new tab call with the icon or give whatever the name, and under that you can place form. So for that you can select File, select More, and select Options, right? So in the same list, select Customize ribbon. So from the list, the same way, select all commands. Right. Then from the list, you need to find the form. This is second step to add the form. Right. This is the icon for that. Select, right. But you are not going to add this icon to this Quick Access toolbar, but these are the tabs, right? Now you need to show where you need to place this form. Either you need to select new tab or new group, right? So I'm going to select new tab, right? Now you have already created the new tab. You can rename the new tab, say form window. Okay, so under that you need to include this form. Select the group, right? Form, then select add. Now under that form you can see the icon is there. This is how you can create the new tab. So select OK. You will see form window. It's here. This is how you can create the tab. So under that you can see the form. This is one step. Or else you can easily select the icon from the Quick Access toolbar. Right? It's here. You already added that icon, right? Right, now you have already given the headings. So what you can do is, now next step, you can validate the employee number. For example, employee number up to 5 digits you can limit to enter, right? Maximum 5, length is 5. So for that you need to select data. Under the data validation, you can give the text length from here. Under settings, select text length up to 5, right? So it will only allow you to enter the maximum value of 5 numbers. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. If you try to enter more than 5, you can't enter. So you need to limit up to 5 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5. Likewise you can control. So same way you can control the list of values. For example, you need to give a drop down list, right? This is a new feature that you can apply drop down list to the table, right? I'm not going to show you now. So like the same way you can give the give the drop down list under the validation. In my future lessons, I'll show you how you can give the drop down list the same way. Data validation from here. You have to select list, right? For that. So here I'm going to show you how you can enter the values now through the form. Right. Prior to select the form, you need to enter first line here, right? One row. So I already validate my employee number. I'm going to enter the value up to 5, right? This is enough. Then select form from this quick access form icon, right? After that, you can continue like this. What contact number you can give. Then email and the amount. Likewise, you can continue. This is very easy to update your records, and you can select new, right? And second, you're going to enter this. Contact email, and likewise you can update the records. If you need to go to the previous values, from here you can get we call the previous value, right? If you need to delete, you can delete. The same way, through the forms you can update huge list of data, or else what you can do is, it's time consuming to enter the number of data used in this form of row. By looking at these fields, continuing, so it will only allow you to enter the data up to 5. So if you are going to the last number of rows, you can't see the headings, so you need to make visible these headings by clicking the freeze pane. So you don't want to use these options. If you can easily recall the form, and through the form you can update the details, right? Okay, I think this is very useful for your day-to-day work. Let's see with my new tips and tricks in my future lessons. So stay tuned with us. Do subscribe and give your comments.